This is Shelley Kraft coming to you live from SNNLive. We're at the second annual Growth Capital Expo in Las Vegas 2015. I have with me John Mark Staude of Riverside Resources. It's a publicly traded company, symbol RRI, on the TSX Venture. John Mark, welcome to SNNLive.
Shelley, really nice to be here.
It's good to have you.
Thank you.
So let me get an overview first on the entire company, if you would.
Well, Riverside is a publicly listed company, as you said, and we follow a prospect generator business model. We have 37 million shares out, we have no debt, we have $3 million cash, we have joint ventures with major companies and juniors in the mineral exploration space.
I like the project generator space in the MicroCap junior mining market. The reason why I like it is probably for the same reason you like it. Why don't you explain that?
The first reason we like it is it's not as dilutive as other businesses. We get to use partners to do it. The second reason we like to do it is we get to expand between many different opportunities. Currently, we have 8 projects going forward. We have drilling, but it doesn't come off of our treasury. The third reason we like it is that it allows us to diversify location. We work in Mexico, Canada, and the United States.
Have you been hard hit by the drop in commodities prices like the regular junior resource companies?
Luckily, yes, we have. Unfortunately, we have been hit down, but luckily, we do better than almost all the other ones because we do not dilute, because we only have 37 million shares, because we've consistently been able to have partners do the work. Yes, the market has been difficult, it's hit us down, but we haven't had to finance at these deep levels, so we don't have a lot of upward pressure if we to move backward upward.
So your general profitability is based on the amount of royalties that you generate with your partners. So how are those generating revenues coming in?
The way we do those is 2 ways. One is with the royalties, the other is with the advance payments on the projects. The advance payments on the projects, because we have multiple ones, go very well. Also, we have alliance partners with major companies like Hochschild Mining, Antofagasta Mining. That's bringing in over $1.35 million this year in work. So those type of capital really has helped us lower our burn rate and allowed us, even in these deep times, to continue to do well.
So in these times that the commodity prices have hit down some of the junior resource companies, has your business increased? Have you grown into more projects? Or has it decreased because companies are falling by the wayside or they don't have the money to participate with you?
It's actually done number 3. It's gotten better in that we've gotten better assets. Because of this decreased price, we're able to get into better and better projects so we can upgrade our portfolio. We've cut half of our carrying costs by getting rid of the weaker projects, bringing in better projects. Also, although we have lost some of the weaker junior partners, we've been able to excel by bringing major company partners in on those projects. So it's gone okay, even in these tough times.
Has there been one region in particular that you've expanded in more than any other?
There is. The region we've worked is in Sonora, Mexico, in northwest Mexico, for 2 reasons. One is that it's safer to work there, and secondly, it's such a mining-friendly region. Lowest cost to work, some of the places in the planet, fastest to develop, so we've expanded quite a bit in the last 3 years, and particularly the last year in Sonora, Mexico.
So am I thinking that you're going further and further into more and more silver projects?
So we actually are into silver, and we do silver in Durango, but dominantly in gold. And the thing is, Mexico, although it's been a world leader in silver, and we like silver, gold has been a big growth. And for Riverside Gold, in the state of Sonora, with the projects we're working on, is an amazing also growth for us.
So you're a pretty good person to ask this question. We're almost halfway through 2015. Where do you see the rest of the year going, and what does 2016 look like for Riverside?
For Riverside, it's actually quite positive. Just today we had another press release, and we'll continue to have press releases about our partners moving forward with resource assets. Secondly, I think through the rest of 2015, our partners are already funding the drilling that leads to 2016 when we have the advancement of the projects, we've been able to acquire better assets, so we're very excited about 2016, and particularly the chance to apply, because we have the capital, to get better assets.
What's your background?
Well, I'm actually quite technical. I have a PhD in economic geology. I did a master's at Harvard, but mainly I've been in the industry for a long time. I used to work with the major companies. From that, I was able to do lots of junior work, lots of partners. So with Riverside, founding the company, building the company, we have a real team, we collectively work, and we really appreciate the chance to work for shareholders. What's
your website? I'm sure the audience would love to know.
The website's very easy. It's just www.rivres.com, rivres.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, John Mark Staude, Riverside Resources, Inc. It's a publicly traded company. The symbol is RRI on the TSX Venture. I'm Shelley Crabb. This is SNNLive, and we're coming to you from the second annual Growth Capital Expo in Las Vegas 2015. John Mark, thank you for coming on to SNNLive.
Thank you, Shelley.
You got it.